Okay, today's the day. We finally fix this. It's been too long. Smog is coming. We must register our vehicle. We're not spending $1,200 at a shop. Ah! Okay, hopefully you just heard that. The stupid car makes like a weird grinding sound. These weird little flaps. They broke, and now they give me a check engine light, and we can't have that if we're trying to pass smog. So we are not going to pay $1,200 at a shop. So we bought the part on eBay for, I don't know, $200, and we're going to do the work ourselves. So wish me luck. Going to bring you along the journey. Here we go. All right, so our first step here is to jack up the car and put it on jack stands so we can get access to the screws that we need to get to. Let's go. All right, we're going into backwards hat mode. That's how you know it's serious. All right, we're jacking away. You can say that in the most wholesome way. Let's get these jack stands ready. All right, lift off. All right. Is this a good angle? All right, let's get our jack stand in place. All right. Try to rest her down on that. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right, we're on the jack stand. We still got clearance. Bringing the jack down slowly. And we've done it. I think that was the hardest part. Hopefully not foreshadowing. Every time I do these car things, I really impress myself. Not to toot my own horn. No, to toot my own horn. I get proud of myself when I do stuff like this. All right. Oh, I'm so nearly almost hit my head. Saved it. So yeah, like I said, like $200 part. Saved myself $1,200 in BS labor. It's the correct solenoid we need here, which is the AA. They sent out a, what are those things called? Recall notice. Yeah, to get this fixed, I see why. Okay, so from what I understand, I gotta take the grill off with these guys, and then we have to take the front bumper off, and then we can get to this radiator assembly. The small one, the 25. I've never been very good with measurements and all that, especially with metric and standard going on. My brain just does not work that way. So there's gonna be a lot of today. It's just this sound. We'll use this cat bowl. All right, so here we go. Perfect. Yeah, we'll put it right here, fuck it. All right. All right, continue on. One. On to the two. I think there's 4 here. Man, I went to Lowe's yesterday to get a drill, an impact driver. Little Lowe's rant real fast. I was standing in Lowe's for like, I don't know, 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes over by the tools, trying to get access to the drill and impact driver combo, and nobody came. Nobody came. And then I start walking around again, you know, as one does in Lowe's. And I see the guy in the department, and he's just like chilling at the computer. Just like, it looks like he's staring into nothingness. And I just couldn't believe it, man. I was like, I just left. So let's move on to the whole reason we jacked the car up. Gain access to these guys. Ooh, we got just enough room too. So I'm documenting this in part for other people, because I understand this is a common Volkswagen problem. Maybe Audis too, same kind of thing. So I'm hoping to help some people along the way here. So if you like this, I don't know where I'm gonna post this, so I guess like it. Share it with other Volkswagen owners, I don't know. Is this the angle? You know, I pull out this whole cardboard thing and I'm not even laying on it. Something wrong with me. My brain don't work that good. So I just watched some videos on YouTube on how to do this. So you can watch those videos. I'm trying to add to the conversation a little bit here. All right, so I don't know how well you can see that, but we're going into each one of these little holes here, going along, taking them out. Not that one, that's just a nothing space. Just took that one out. Now we're getting onto this one. That's some ratchet technique, people. Yeah, and a lot of these I can just kind of like start them off with the ratchet and then take them out with my fingies. Look at that jack stand action. Look at that, look how proud. Look at that light in the back. So I don't know if anyone, I'm sure other people do this. It's like, I watched the video on how to do this like a dozen times, like over the last year or whatever. Something about it makes me feel better. Like I'm gonna be more informed, more knowledgeable. Hopefully I won't run into any snags, but if I do, I probably know how to troubleshoot it because I've watched all these videos and, you know, Reddit forums and stuff on this repair. Not sure if I mentioned this, but I'm not paying $1,200 for this repair. Hey, is this one even attached? I think it's the last one on the bottom. Easy. Water break once again. Oh, you know what? I just remembered, because I watched so many videos, there's a weird bolt. It's a little bit high up. I'm gonna need an extension. Yeah, you're a beach. Back to the other side to make up for my malfeasance. That guy. That's the little demon. So it's just up against the inside of the bumper here. So we're gonna go up there and get it now. All right, extendo, magnifico. Same approach. Yeah, going straight on with whatever you're doing. That seems to be the trick. I should mention to everybody, I do have like the cheapest tools. Not an excuse, I'm actually saying you can get it done. It's a pretty cheap stuff. A few Amazon orders, a few eBay finds. Do not pay exorbitant mechanic fees. All right, we got that little demon, which brings us to the next scary portion, which is pulling off everything we just disconnected without breaking too much stuff. Oh yeah, I think I saw people kind of popping it out of the groove over here. Yeah. All right. Big old rock just coming out. All right, that's cool. A cap to something. I don't think I lost that. That's fun. Mechanic finds. It's like treasure hunting. God, I hate this kind of packaging. Man, like, I don't have anything sharp on me, do I? Ah. Whoa. I think it's just this little bitch-ass corner. Yeah, let's try these two. Ha-ha! Bazinga! Never said that in my life. I think I gotta take these off. Yeah. Uno. Dos. Hold on to the bumper while we get this last one out. Hoping for smooth separation. I have done it, people. There's a Starbucks stopper in here. All right, so we got some little electrical connections we got to get rid of right there. Right there. Unplug. Here it goes. Pop, pop. Pop. All right, now I think we got just a few more little bolts right here. Get these leaves out of here. 30. This would have been so much faster if I had a freaking drill, Lowe's. We're losing a little steam here. Girlfriend and I decided to do 100 squats yesterday. It's mostly my idea, but she was game, so that means we did it. Excuse all my heavy breathing. Aforementioned 100 squats. Get these two out now. This, yeah, slides right down. Yeah. All right. Like I said, I bought this thing months ago. Looking pretty crispy. It's got the correct part we need here with the correct initials we need. Hopefully you can see that. AA on the little motor here. That's what we need. It's always good to make sure your parts match. Right now I just found like some wiring that wasn't exactly in place, so got that sorted. All right, so, oh yeah, snaps into place. Our holes line up, and they do. We are switching the ratchet to tightening. We are moving the other direction now. All right, give it a nice tighten. I don't think it needs anything too crazy. Let's get these all connected. I appreciate they got these new pieces here. Here we go. Ooh, nice and clicky. Pop her in. Like it was made to be there, people. Hey. Nice. Okay, yeah. Reconnect those two cables. Which solenoids does this have on it, out of curiosity? So here's what I was talking about. D, yeah, so where it says D. That's what you don't want. D is for don't. Just do what we did before. Just in the opposite order, right? Like, all right, so, all right. Set it back down. Get these three front ones put in. Sometimes just easier to do it with your fingers. Let's get this back up here. All right, so just one by one, we get it all put back together. Tugga-wugga. Nothing too crazy. That's going into plastic, so I think I might be the first person in history to do this without breaking any tabs. So far, anyway. I don't know if I'm getting ahead of myself. Yeah, let's get the fender all screwed back in. We'll come back. All right, let's just get this freaking awkward one out of the way. All right, got the weird one. And yeah, why not just do this all from sit-up position? Oh, just look directly into the sun. That was not fun. Light at the end of the tunnel, friends. We are excited. There was a rock in my bag that whole time. For the content. For the content. Keep on moving. All right. It's hard getting that one out. Where did my T25 go, dude? I just put that screw in. I've lost it. could make sense if it fell inside. Ha ha! Okay, I'm not crazy. I lost my T25 inside the bib. Oh my god. Okay. Good thing the T20 could get it loose. And we could reopen everything. Oh my gosh. What a freaking journey that was. Alright, back in you go. Now we'll finish the bottom. Weird situations I find myself in. Last underside one. Alrighty. Alright, that was our last underside one. Now let's button up the top here. God, no! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. 2. Drama. Why did that have to happen? Because I'm a moron and I had it on the edge like that. Oh, there it is. There it is. Right between those two belts. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? We have a tool for this. God, yo ass. Got it. Yes. Let's put this on the ground, shall we? All right, we're gonna get all these top screws put in now. I can't take any more. Last screw. So there's the new piece in there. It's been almost an hour, over an hour. So we got everything back in place. No extra screws, which is appreciated. Let's get this thing down off these jacks. Lift it up just a little bit. Let's bring it down to the ground. Oh, we're all the way down. Now the moment we've been waiting for, at least I have. Let's see if this thing turned the check engine light off. Might have to do some sort of computer reset or something. I don't know if that opened or closed, but while we were fiddle-faddling around, pulled out my code reader here, whatever these things are called, OBD code readers, plugged it into my computer down there. Read the codes. We still had our P05A0 code, and yeah, it still showed up on the dash there. So went in, cleared the code, and now we're gonna restart the engine. And there you have it. No more check engine light. This was overall a success. Thank you, YouTube University. All right, now just to clean up. No more will we be punished by this check engine light of procrastination. And I hope you found this video educational, informative, entertaining, to say the least. And don't spend $1,200 on a mechanic. If I didn't say that enough in this video. Do your own work, buy some stuff off eBay, go on YouTube, you know, 15 bolts later, you're in the money. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Peace.